It's Pride Month! Get out your rainbows and show your pride! Be an ally and a part of the family. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my studio. If you're new here, this is acrylic painting with Julie E, and I am Julie E, and I'm so glad you're here to celebrate Pride Month with me. Yoo-hoo! Yeah, so I'm doing alcohol inks again. I love how convenient they are. Things have been a little chaotic around here lately, and I've had to start and stop a few of my art projects, and alcohol ink is the way to go when that happens because they just reactivate right away again with some alcohol. And since it's Pride Month, of course, we're going to do rainbow pours, rainbow inks, not a pour, but rainbow inks. We're doing it fast forward. I was doing an experiment here. Cards have got a plastic coating on them, so they're not going to really absorb the inks. So I thought, well, let's try some of the Blanco white, since it seems to be a little heavier and a little thicker than the other inks, and see if I can kind of get the same reaction with those as I would like a cell activator with acrylic pouring. But as you will see, it did not work. It did not work, so I went ahead and just started adding some more alcohol to the stuff and blowing it around with my little hair blower, trying to get things going. And then I brought out a toothbrush and just started making little bubbles. It looks like little bubbles when a mist of alcohol lands on the inks, and it looks really pretty cool. So that's what that one. And then we have a second one coming up too. I did a second one using monster skin liquid latex, and I cut out a template, set it down on my Yupo paper, traced it out with an alcohol ink marker that was really pale, and then went around and filled it in with the liquid latex. And then once that dried, went ahead and inked around it with our rainbow colors. So that pretty much sums things up for now. I will go ahead and put on some music for you and see you towards the end of the video. Hope you enjoy it.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop. Come on. Listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Never gonna stop. No, 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 no. Yeah, 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 yeah. I ain't never gonna stop. No, no. Oh, I ain't never gonna stop. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby. Never gonna stop now, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no, no. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby. Woo-hoo. Never gonna stop now, baby.
Oh my gosh, guys, that was so fun. I hope you had fun too. After me, next is Art by Sparkle, and yeah, here's what we accomplished. This is what we have. They're not matted yet. They still have to be put in place, and this is what they will look like before they go in a frame. I think they came out really good. So hopefully that didn't make it all too blurry. Please come back again on Monday to see how I actually mat these, how I seal them first, any embellishings and everything, and I will have links in that description where you can purchase the mat boards, where you can purchase the acid-free tapes, and markers and all that good stuff. So I hope I'll see you again tomorrow because this is going to be on Sunday. So yeah, I hope I see you again tomorrow for my premiere, which is every Monday at 6:30 Eastern Standard Time. And let's all head over to Sparkles right now and see what she's created. Loves and hugs, y'all. Mwah!